Hello everybody, I hope everybody's well and okay. See, Sammy knows a place now. She's on my finger and she's addressing the audience, aren't you? Say hello to everybody. Hello there. Now, the other day I talked about pairing budgies. Now this is a series I'd like to carry on with. So we're talking about pairing budgies to the point where pairing budgies breed, lay eggs, hopefully successfully, and then the chicks thrive and go on to be adults. Now this will take a couple of parts because there's a lot of stages. So each time I am doing my research. My husband is in the room, so you may hear his voice from time to time.
Because the Budgies attacking me shoes.
And Sammy's all over him at the moment. So just bear with us. Okay. Now, talking to the budgie man, who I've told you about before, he used to breed budgies and he is a very, very good neighbour. Now, you need an appropriate cage so that your paired budgies are successful in breeding. So you do need a cage, just like Sammy's got, built for two budgies. And also on the side, you need a nesting box. So if you've not seen this cage before, I shall show you it again. Now, Sammy's cage is built for two budgies. If you can see it, it is built for two budgies. And at the side, you can install a nesting box. Unfortunately, I've not got a nesting box to show you. But a nesting box is just a box. It will have a hole on the side, so your budgies can access the hole. And on the top, you open a lid. And that gives the owner full access to the mother who will be nesting with her eggs. Now, if there is a clutch of eggs after your budgies have paired and they've been mating, the budgie's owner does need the access so they can keep checking that everything's all right when the mother budgie has laid. Now, there are cases, sadly, where budgies eat their own eggs. And this can be a number of reasons, sadly. It may be a case where the budgie is very, very hormonal and may want to lay more eggs. That can happen. So it is important to keep checking. You have to do this in a very sensitive way. Be as quiet as possible as not to scare mother budgie. Okay. Now the way how this goes is the father budgie will keep mother budgie fed and well, and he will keep feeding her whatever's around. So it's very, very important to provide very green vegetables such as leaves, broccoli, so that Mother Budgie's getting what she needs, all the nutrition she needs, as this is, well, you know, I suppose if you've had babies yourselves, you know it's a precious time, even for Budgies. Okay, so it's providing the best food possible, nutritional food, and father will keep his wife Budgie happy, and it'll be a successful parenthood. Okay, so that is part 1 of this new series. So that is the nesting part. Okay, so the next part in this series will be when babies hatch. Okay, I'm going to make sure I do get this right. Oh, and one more thing. The room has to be at an appropriate temperature. You have to keep everybody warm, including the eggs. And you do need to check the eggs are fertile. And I believe you can get special equipment to do this. You may be able to purchase all this on Amazon. I will find out for you. I'll have a quick peek in Amazon. If I have missed anything at all, I do apologise. So if anybody has been successful in breeding the Budgies and laying eggs, and if there's anything I've missed, please let us know. Okay, as anybody who wants to breed Budgies and provide healthy eggs and chicks will need all the support they need. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you to all my current subscribers and hopefully future subscribers, as you will all be amazing. And please enjoy the rest of your weekend. But that's it from Sammy and me for today. I hope you've enjoyed all the videos and content I have provided today. Any of my earlier videos and content, please check them out, as you may also enjoy them. Okay, but from Sammy and me, see you again soon. Bye.